Hello, you're looking at a Max-Evap evaporator brought to you by Lanco. This is an atmospheric evaporator. Unit's been completely gone through, is in excellent condition, has a new blower housing and motor installed. Overall dimensions are 76 inches long, 24 inches wide, 58 inches high. Weight is 550 pounds. This unit has a maximum estimated flow rate of 60 gallons per hour. Once again, this is a Max-Evap atmospheric evaporator. You can see the blower housing and drive motor here. We'll now operate it for you. Unit runs very nicely. Also has new plumbing installed. Here you can see the top of the plumbing section where the spray headers are located underneath. The mist eliminator. If you're interested in this Max-Evap evaporator or any metal finishing or waste unit equipment, please contact Lanco at 616-887-8300 or online at www.lanco-corp.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.